Good deals close to the city and great for beginners. We're skiing Jilin right here on Drone and Phone. Welcome to another episode of our ski special. It's a beautiful day, Jack. Where are we and what are we doing today?
Here we're at莲花山. It's Lotus Mountain near Changchun Airport, also near Changchun City. Half an hour, 40 minutes drive.
Very close to the city and a little bit more to do than we had on our last one that was close to the city. Let's get going.
13 kilometers ski.
Nestled in northeast China, Jilin province has become one of China's top ski destinations. It's cold, but not as cold as Heilongjiang, easier to get to than Xinjiang, and has more reliable snowfall than Chongli, making it a great all-round bet for skiing in China. There are many great resorts spread throughout the province, all with distinctive advantages. So for this series, we've chosen 5 to see for ourselves how they stack up and who they are best suited for. So we're driving to Lotus Mountain. This is very close to Changchun. In fact, just 20-minute drive from our hotel. And it looks like we're really into the woods, into the rural area. But there are some hills ahead, so hopefully there's going to be some good skiing. Jack, how are you feeling? Excited.
I heard this is quite tactical.
Oh, okay. Looks like we're arriving. Given the short distance and the remoteness, a taxi is the easiest way to get to the resort, but there are buses from the centre of the city and the airport and fast train terminal if you prefer a public transport option. Once you arrive, buy a ticket for the day and you should be up and going with all the equipment in minutes, through the ski centre and out the other side.
Ready to go.
There are 2 chairlifts to the 2 sides of the hill with a suspension bridge joining them. We start with a bigger lift on the left side and quickly make our way back down to where we started. There's a total of 13 kilometres of ski runs with 131 metres of drop, plus a small snow park and some learner slopes, so it's by no means a small resort. Well, Jack, we've done half of the mountain over there, a couple of reasonably nice but quite short runs down.
That was too black, of course.
It's supposed to be black, but we reckon, according to our other ski resorts, that would be a blue or possibly a green. Now we're going to go on the other side of the mountain. There is one long run down here. I would say what we're seeing so far is this would be a good place to refresh your skills before you go to one of the bigger resorts, but probably not somewhere you want to stay more than a day.
Yeah, but easy landing at the Changchun Airport, half an hour here, refresh. There you go.
Yeah. Similar to Jingyue Tan, we reviewed 2 episodes back. This makes a great place to learn and warm up for a ski holiday at one of the bigger resorts in Jilin. Its cheap price and proximity to the airport in particular makes it a great place for a warm-up. For those who want to learn, English instruction can be arranged if you book in advance, and the resort does have extensive learner slopes. After a few runs, we take a break for lunch. Well, we're in the dining hall here. There are options. The good news, it's very cheap. How much was that for 2 dinners?
56, 2 meals.
56 for 2 meals. And you can see here we've got a whole kind of variety of foods that you can pick and choose in the buffet. Following the morning ski on the left side, we moved across to the other side of the resort after lunch. There are some easier and longer runs, with one that takes you around the back on the hill with a relaxing green run. The resort also has night skiing from 6 to 9 p.m, so if you come in on an afternoon flight, it makes a great place to get a warm-up if you are staying in Changchun. Well, here you get a good layout of what we're seeing here. So we have the slope, this mountain here, and then this one over here. They're 2 different slopes. They've both got 2 sides that you can go down, so basically 4 runs, though there are some alternatives on one of them. And then we have there's a jump just over here. This is for aerials that we can't see. Another jump down here again for aerials, and then the snow park is right here. There's no one on the snow park at the moment. You can see there's a few rails and stuff at the bottom, and we've got 1, 2, 3 jumps as we go up. That's what we have. There's a bit of a sort of cross-country thing over here as well. If I go down here, it's a long way round. It's an easy way from this lift to go all the way around. So there's actually 3 routes down from this one, around, down, and then on this side, and 2 routes down on the other one. For this resort, there's no advantage to book in advance. They advise just come and see what deals are available that day. It's a non-profit state-run enterprise that was set up specifically with the remit to get as many people enjoying winter sports as possible. You should find the cheapest ski deals available in the province, but also expect crowds if you come on a weekend or public holiday. The day we visited, we did not have to wait long for the chairlift, but with only 2, we imagine the lines might get long in peak times.
So that's it for this episode. It's been, well, I would say a nice day out, but probably just one day. How do you feel, Jack?
It's a good place for refreshment. Get your skill back and back on the higher slope.
Yeah, we reckon that if you do the first one we did in the second episode, if you're a beginner, then come here for a day, or if you've skied before, just come here for a day before you start on the big slope. Now, if you're finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our other episodes on our website, droneandphone.com, and also on our YouTube channel. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
And this is
Drone and Phone.